Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just did a little get ready with me, you guys. I am so late, but I have to film my intro, but yeah, I did this look today. It's really wearable, you guys, which is weird for me. All my looks are usually crazy, colorful, dramatic, and out there, but I love the way it turned out. And we're gonna do a little transformation today, okay? A little get ready with me. And I also just wanted to update you guys on everything happening in my life since I'm back on YouTube. But make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment before we get started with this video. And also go and check out my other social media pages, which will be linked down below. I finally started to use my Snapchat stories again. For a while, I was over Snapchat. I hated the app for a while, but now I'm back. So yeah, go add me again. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieved this look right here, then make sure you guys just keep on watching. But today I am bringing you guys a video that is sponsored by Sephora Collection. You guys, that is so insane to say. If I were to tell little baby Tina Halada that was just starting out doing makeup that I would be making a video partnering with Sephora Collection, I would not have freaking believed it. So I'm shook right now, and yeah, I'm really excited. Today I'm going to be using their brand new I Love palettes, and I wanted to share them with you guys because they're super affordable. These are basically going to be your like everyday go-to eyeshadow palettes. There's a lot of neutral palettes, and then there's two trend eyeshadow palettes. While I talk about them, I'm going to have all the swatches and the palettes on the screen somewhere for you guys so you can see. I'll have that on the screen playing while I talk about them a little bit. So each of these little mini palettes, by the way, these are super good for like on the go or traveling. They literally fit in your bag like nothing, and it has every single shade that you'll need for an everyday look. So they're super compact, really good to keep in any makeup bag if you guys are traveling. But each palette has 7 shades, and they have one giant pan with kind of like your skin tone shade, which you'll use to kind of set your base or just use for your brow bone or your inner corner or whatever you want to do with it. I don't know, up to you, or just to set your lids, you know? I already said that. Tina's tired. Not every palette has shimmers in it. You guys will see in the swatches, but not every palette has shimmers in it. This one does. So this one comes with 3 shimmers and 3 matte shades. So there are 6 palettes total. Okay, the lighting just got so much better. I'm sorry if it goes in and out, but it's kind of like a weird time of day. Oh my god, this is gonna fall. It's kind of a weird time of day to be filming. So yeah, there are 6 palettes total, and there's, like I said, there's 2 kind of more colorful palettes, and then the rest of them are super everyday wear. And I love the formula, you guys. It's really easy to work with. They're all really pigmented. The shimmers are super bright and vibrant. But yeah, the formula is really buttery and creamy. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get started on the eye look, you guys. This is gonna be something you guys can definitely recreate and wear on an everyday basis. But yeah, so definitely go check them out at Sephora. I will have where you guys can purchase them linked down below in my description box. But yeah, another thing I wanted to mention, each palette comes with a little mirror, so it's perfect for traveling. Traveling with a big mirror is so annoying, so I always make sure that I bring a palette that has a mirror because I never like bringing them, so I like having it in my palette when I'm doing my eyeshadow. Oh my god, there's a freaking hair on my face. Oh my god, was that there the whole time? Are you kidding? You guys, so I just got back from LA. Oh, by the way, I'm priming. I'm actually just using the Too Faced Born Way Concealer. Why do I get off topic so freaking... I just started a sentence and my mind is everywhere. I'm so spacey. I saw my apartment. I don't know if I want to show you guys in this video. I just don't want people to find out where I'm going to be living. I look insane. But you guys are gonna see it. I'm gonna do a whole series on my channel of me moving in. I'm gonna do a little apartment tour for you guys. I'm so like in shock. I kind of like don't even believe that it's actually happening. Like never in my life would I have thought that I would be, first of all, financially stable, and number 2, have a reason to like move out for work at this age. Yeah, I just feel super lucky and blessed. It's something that I've wanted to do for years and years, but I wanted to wait until I was 18. Plus I didn't want to rush the whole... Okay, this is... Fuck, I should have made a whole separate video talking about this, but alright, pause on that because I'm gonna go into the first eyeshadow. So this one is the medium cool eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna be using this shade right here to set my lid. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the medium warm eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna be grabbing this shade right here. This is actually like the skin tone shade, but from this... This is actually the skin tone shade in this palette, but it's kind of like a light orange cream. Like it looks like it's gonna be a good transition color. I need something kind of like more on the orange like tone, so it looks like it's gonna be a nice little transition color for me. So I'm just gonna apply this all throughout the crease. I'm grabbing this shade right here from the palette, and this is the same palette. This is the medium warm one, but it's like a nice warm kind of burgundy red shade, and I'm gonna use this and start building it on the inner and outer corner of my eye. I'm gonna do like a nice little halo today, except it's gonna be a lot more subtle and wearable than the ones that I've done in the past. It's gonna be kind of like the main crease color for this lip. Yeah, back to what I was saying. I didn't want to rush moving because I didn't want to rush like my whole high school experience. You guys know, oh my god, I slept so hard. But you guys know that I have a lot of friends and family out here, and I didn't want to just rush and move and miss out on this time, you know what I mean? Like I didn't want to be somewhere else while everyone is, you know, leaving and getting ready to go to college and do all that. I didn't want to like miss those moments and miss out on my whole high school experience, which is why I stayed here. I just wanted the memories, and I love my friends. They're literally like my second family, so I wanted to spend that time with them here and not miss out on anything, because honestly for the majority of my high school years, even though I wasn't in high school, I was spending it half here and half LA. Like I've been bi-coastal for like 3 years now. I don't think I spent more than like 3 months here at a time without going to LA or being there like every other month. But I took a break from LA and just wanted to spend time at home, you know, soaking up all the memes. Oh my god, ew. Why am I saying these things? Guys, these shadows are blending so freaking nicely. They're super buttery and creamy. Yeah, I hope you guys get what I'm trying to say, but I feel like now is the time. I'm finally gonna make this big adjustment, this big change, and take a step forward, which is what I really needed to do. I feel like I've been stuck in the same place for such a long time, and I just really need to move forward and do what's best for me and my career. And it's pretty scary, not gonna lie. I'm honestly kind of terrified to like start over in a new place, but it's gonna be kind of temporary. I'm only gonna move there for 6 months for now and then see how it goes. I haven't committed to like a year or anything like that. I'm gonna go into this shade right next to it, which is a deep kind of chocolate brown. I'm just gonna use this on the inner and outer corner to create definition. Okay, that was a lot, so I'm gonna blend it out. Don't you guys worry. For the lid, I still haven't decided. There's a lot of really pretty like light neutral shimmery colors to pick from, so I haven't decided on a lid shade yet, but I think I'm leaning toward this girl. I don't know. This one's really pretty, but I don't know. I can't decide. Yeah, okay. So I'm just gonna pat this on the center of my lid. So pretty. Okay, then I'm just going in and I'm kind of blending out the edges of that. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other eye really quickly off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so lashes are on. Now move on to foundation. I'm just gonna be using my everyday foundation, which is the Estee Lauder Double Wear, and this one is in the shade Crew. You guys, I ran out of my full size one, but I had this little like baby one. I don't even know where I found this, but I'm gonna be using this. So, what else is new? Oh, I finally got my lips done. I've actually been wanting to get them for a while now. I was just waiting until I was old enough to get them done. And I only got a little bit. It already went down so much. You guys, when I first got them done, I was like scared. I was terrified. I thought I made like a huge mistake because they were giant. It looked like a bee stung my lips. And the first night that I got home after I got them done, my lips were so swollen. I was supposed to go to this event that night and I couldn't even go because my lips were giant and I looked insane. After like maybe 4 days is when they started to look normal, like how they look right now. I was like, I really like my lips, I like my shape, I just want them to be fuller and plumper, and that's exactly what she gave me. So I'm really happy that I did it. It's really subtle. I don't think I'm gonna go back for more anytime soon because they came out exactly how I wanted them to. I got them done at Flawless Laser Center, so if you guys want to check them out, definitely go ahead and do that. They do amazing lips. What else? Oh, I'm going to Amsterdam soon. I haven't even talked about this yet, but I'm going on a trip in like I think like a week or two. I'm going on August 10th. I'm going to Amsterdam and Venice. I'm so excited, you guys. Amsterdam has been on my list of places that I want to travel for like literally the longest time ever. I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer to conceal my under eyes. Like I said, I've been loving this one recently. The shade is like a tad too dark for me, but it's just gonna have to do. But yeah, so that's happening. I'm going with my sister and her best friend, who's also a good friend of mine. I'm super excited. We're gonna be there for like 10 days. And I think I'm gonna vlog. If you guys want me to, I can vlog that trip. Yeah, I'm officially moving at the beginning of September, although I think I'm getting my apartment earlier than that just because I need to lock it in. You guys, like I need to buy everything. I need to buy pots, I need to buy pans, I need to buy like soap and like toilet paper. Who am I? I'm an adult. Like suddenly I'm an adult. Yeah, okay, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder to set my under eyes. You guys, I'm actually kind of in a rush. I'm back on YouTube. I'm so happy that I'm back, you guys. I finally feel, you know, excited to do YouTube again. I have a lot of cool ideas and a lot of cool content coming soon, and I wasn't really that happy with the videos that I was putting out there and releasing. I feel like they weren't creative, they weren't exciting and like fun for me to do, and I feel like that kind of, you know, translated and my views started going down, because you guys can always tell if I'm not like enjoying it, and I definitely knew that too, which is why I took a break. I was like, okay Tina, you need to rethink some things, you need to just take a step back, look at your channel from afar and not have to worry about, oh, like I need to get a video up, what should I film? But I'm going in with my bronzer now. This is the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil. I'm just gonna bronze up a little bit, kind of lightly. Going in with blush now. I'm using the Buxom blush. It's like one of my favorite blushes right now. They're so pigmented. You really only need to dip in like once. They're the Wanderlust blushes. This one is in the shade Mykonos. This is like one of my favorite shades. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go and do my lower lash line. I think I'm gonna do it off camera because I'm seriously rushing, and chop chop Tina. Oh fuck, I'm actually screwed. Oh no, that was a mistake. Okay, so for my new lips, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever liquid lipstick, and this one is in the shade 101. So that wraps up today's look and this Get Ready With Me. You guys can go ahead and check out the I Love palettes that I used in today's video down below in the description box. But yeah, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. And go and check out my other social media pages, which will be linked down below. Also, just wanted to mention I'm back to doing 2 videos a week. For a little while there, I was only doing 1 video a week, but now I'm going back to 2 weeks, so stressful, but it'll happen. All right, yeah, but I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.